we are here in a cold storage facility of Kappa Oil Refinery at Nairobi. In the middle of COVID-19 pandemic, Kappa Oil Refinery Limited reached out to us for a cold storage facility for their margarine product. Despite their strict timelines, we took this as a challenge and completed the entire project within 14 weeks with supply and installation. We proud to say that it's our biggest cold storage in processed food industry. During the capacity design, we have undertaken the in-depth understanding from the client on process involved and pallet movements. Accordingly, we suggested the solution with the minimal operational hazards. Total storage capacity is 14,000 pallets, which we divided into two chambers. Each chamber will have 700 pallets with a multi-stage racking system where the product can be stored at 4 levels. We introduced here with a rack refrigeration system with inverter technology. This innovative automated concept reduces the plant's power consumption by 20 to 25% in comparison to conventional refrigeration system. Advantage of such system is capacity control, since the multiple compressor rack system provides you the required capacity for connected load. If load reduces, then the cycled on and off to match the needed capacity. Only the compressor which required to carry the load will operate. Another advantage is the redundancy. If one compressor fails, the other compressor normally can carry the load. We have introduced here with the automated overhead sectional door for the trouble-free operational requirement. To make a movement of loading and unloading with forklift to ease, we have introduced a remote control system to open and lock the door. Manual operation can also be done through touch button. It has all required safety feature that ensure if it slightly hit on the obstacle while descending, it will immediately sense the obstacle and return to its original vertical position. We have designed a specially for the temperature controller to suit their operation. The temperature monitoring and the controlling can be done remotely at office through the personal computer. Monitoring system will provide you powerful graph, historical data and status output with alarms. Sending alarm via SMS or email is an added advantage with this monitoring system.
We are into FMCG sector. We used to make edible oil, tissue paper, detergent and soaps and noodles. We require cold room for our margarine products and for the fats to store it below 20 degrees. Chef they are into the field for long, so we want to utilize them to build a sophisticated cold room. And the project went well and the implementation was very good. And they finished the project in time, and the quality and the performance of the project was very good, and the project manager Mr. Saravanan helped a lot in building the cold room, and the project came out very well and we are utilizing the cold room now. This is one of our best sophisticated cold room what we did it recently.